Welcome to Love Lines.
Makulimlim na hapon kaya hindi na ako nagbaon ng shoe. So, last day ng to ngayong Sunday. Nag-delay si Father. Na-delay din yung uwi namin, kaya na-delay yung luto, na-delay yung kain, na-delay yung alis. So, it's a domino effect. Anyway, hindi pa naman kami siguro late. Kasi 2 o'clock sana mag-start. So, ayan, lakad. Lakad! Lakad lang kami, lakad exterior. Hindi kagaya nung Sunday, last Sunday masyadong yung liwanag, masyadong mahangin. Diba yan? Nakita ko kasi may liwanag eh. Oh, what's that? Kape. May kape doon sa kalsada. Almost 2 o'clock na. Kaya lakad lang kami. Shout out sa lahat ng Super Love Stars. Maraming salamat sa inyong support. Especially my 2 level 2 channel members. 3 stars channel members. Maraming salamat. And all my Super Love Stars. At sa lahat ng mga regular attendees ng aking gaming live stream. Brain workout live streams. Shout out to the Moon family, Abs family, Snow family, of course. Sa aking Super Loves family. Malapit na kami. Uy, look. Daming dahon ng mangga. Mayabang na mangga. And very, ayun yata sila. Mayroong kotseng puti. Sana hindi pa nag-start. Psst. Ay, salamat, di pa nag-start. Ayan, huling araw na ngayon. Bagong gupit sis. Alam mo, ay the picture.
hindi na ako makakita sa iyo talaga. Sige, mas. Love na love you din.
Bye-bye. Asan? So that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, this is Love Lines. Have a good day and God bless.